Okay, here we go with another Calc 1 video. We're going to be trying to find the derivative of ln of x. We're going to prove it, If you already know the answer, which I bet many of you do, that's great. But here I'm going to be actually going through the derivation for that answer. So, let's actually go for it. What I'm going to first do, I'm going to let y equal ln of x. In the last video, or maybe you didn't watch these in order, the last video I made, I talked about ln x by definition being the inverse of e to the x. So by definition, I'm allowed to raise e to both sides, and I get e to the y is x. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the derivative with respect to x of both sides. The derivative of the right-hand side is the easy one. It's just the derivative of x is 1. On the left-hand side, I have an implicit differentiation. I have the derivative of e to, I'm going to replace y just so it's a little easier to see. Let's pretend there's just another function in there. When I take the derivative of e to a function, I get e to the function, and then I got to multiply by the derivative of that function. Now, y prime, remember y was ln x. So y prime is actually what I want to find. So I'll solve for y prime. It's 1 over e to the y. And now what's y? Y prime is 1 over e to the y is ln x. And we know e's and ln's cancel. That's 1 over x. Quick derivation for that derivative, but I know many of you have been using that derivative for a really long time and you haven't known why it works. So hopefully that helped you with that.